Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Zivi Addicted. So I was passing by Walmart here to buy some stuff for my newly lease of Chevy Bolt. So they have Electrify America, which I noticed on PlugShare actually shows up like unavailable, and I see it's fenced right now, and you can see on the left side here what seems to be the old chargers, what I recognize. And you see they kind of put them in those wood pallets with some plastic wrap and what appears to be there already installed, and I assume this is the new chargers with less fails. So far 5 styles, and I'm assuming I can see over there the wires. They're gonna be installing a few more. As far as I see here is like 1, 2, 3, about 9, maybe 9ish. Yeah, 3x3. That means like about 9 boxes. So probably total gonna be like 9 chargers. And in case you're passing by Richmond and you didn't notice on PlugShare, this side is not open. Currently it's closed. You know, thumbs up for Electrify America for actually taking such a serious action to change those chargers, because I think out of all, like usually 2 chargers would be working properly if you were following on PlugShare, and it's not just a case here. This is the case usually what's going on with the most locations where Electrify America, not just like only 1 or 2 chargers working, but sometimes they leave the electric car driver stranded because they were relying on this site where there were like, let's say 8 chargers, and then they arrive there with kind of low range and comes out, none of them actually can work. So it's a good what they doing. So far I cannot tell you what brand are those chargers. I don't want to be sneaking too much. But this is what's going on right now. Actually will try to come closer and see what is in those new chargers. Oh, okay. I'm reading something like Signet. That's not the best, maybe. We'll see. Well, hopefully they don't have to change those chargers one more time. Well, that's it, guys. Just quick update. I thought it might be useful to some of you if you wonder why this site is closed. So this is the reason. No trespassing. They replaced already 5 chargers. I'm not sure if they're gonna install 4 more, because I think originally the site was with totally 8 stalls, one of them being chargeable. So we'll see when they finish and keep you updated. That's all. If you find this video useful, please give me a thumbs up. It helps me a lot, and consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care.